Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to use the lens circle trigger in Geometry Dash. This powerful tool allows you to create dynamic circular visual effects within your levels. You can find it in the editor's shader section. It's perfect for adding a spotlight, a vignette, or even a unique transition. We will cover its core functions, including adjusting its size, fade, and screen position to get you started with your creative designs. Now, let's dive into adjusting the lens effect. The size parameter is crucial, as it dictates the overall diameter of your circular visual. Experiment with fade to make the edges sharp or soft, creating a smooth transition. For precise placement, utilize screen offset X and Y to move the circle horizontally and vertically across the screen. For instance, a very small size can simulate a flashlight, guiding the player's view. Moving on to more advanced techniques, the strength setting allows you to fine-tune the intensity of the lens effect, making it more subtle or pronounced. A key feature is the center ID, which lets you link the lens circle to a specific player or object, making it dynamic. By creatively combining these parameters, you can craft impressive fade transitions or even a compelling flashlight effect, enhancing your level's atmosphere and gameplay. Finally, let's talk about optimizing your lens circle effects. If you need to end the effect, simply use a shader trigger and enable the Stop All Shaders option. For seamless transitions, pay close attention to your fade times and easing settings, ensuring the animation is fluid. Always test your level extensively to confirm that your lens circle effects are visually appealing and contribute positively to the player's experience, rather than causing any distractions.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.